Hello and thank you for watching the video. Today I'm going to try to get a maintenance required light off of a Toyota Corolla. And I'm driving around this parking lot here. I'm trying to find a good shady place to do this at because it's really hot here today and sunny. So as soon as I find a place, we'll get started. This car is a 2007 Corolla, and I was looking to find out if I can find some information on how to turn the light off. So I don't see that, but I haven't done any maintenance on the car. The car runs fine. I did change the oil about 100 miles ago, and that's just what it says here. It says maintenance required. These are the lights here, indicator symbols on the instrument panel. Engine oil replacement reminder lights, basically what it is. Yeah, I changed the oil and the filter, just topped off any liquids. Everything looks good, so I'm going to try to turn it off here. So we've got the lock position, the ACC, the on, and the start. So to clear the light, I'm going to turn it to the on position, go up here to the gauge, and put it on the actual odometer reading there. Okay, now at this point I'm going to go ahead and turn the key off. I'm going to be holding the button down, and then I'm going to turn it back on. Once it illuminates here, the numbers should clear out to 0, and at that point the light should go off. So let's try it. All right, light is off. All right, let's start it up and see. See, it's already off. So that's it. Key to remember: set it at this is the 07, the 2007. Make sure that you're doing this on the actual reading and not the trip reading. So anyway, thanks for watching.